to Smart Tech Junction. Are you sure your Android phone is not tracking you right now? Most users don't realize how many apps silently access their data. In this video, I will show you hidden Android privacy and security setting that can stop Google tracking and protect your personal data. So first, why Android privacy matter? Android app can access location, contact, microphone, camera, and even background data. If permission are not controlled, your data can be shared without your knowledge. First, you need to check your app permission. Okay, to check this, you need to open your phone settings. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out privacy and security option. Open it. Okay. Review your camera, location, microphone, and contact permission. And here you can get the all application which accessing your camera, microphone, and location permission. If you want to control it, just tap on it, open the app, and here you can get the option allow and don't allow. If you want to see all permission that accessing this particular app, just tap on see all permission, and here you can get the option which permission was allowed to the app and which permission was not allowed to the app. From here you can easily able to control your app permission very securely. Okay, now you need to stop Google from the tracking. To stop this, in your phone settings, scroll down and find out Google and open it, and tap on manage your Google account like this. Go to data and privacy section, and you need to turn off web activity, location history, and YouTube history. You need to turn off this all activity. This stop most background tracking. Now you need to control your background app access. To do this guys, to control this guys, once again open the phone settings, and in the phone settings scroll down and find out apps, and in the apps here you need to find out and select your app. Open it and go to battery permission, and here you need to select restricted. This prevent app from running secretly in the background. Okay, now go back. Now you need to block unauthorized data usage. To do this guys, in the phone settings, open network and internet settings. From here guys, you need to disable the background data usage. Okay, only essential apps should have background access. Except essential apps, you need to disable the background data usage for all apps. After doing this guys, some more extra tips I want to share. Uninstall all unused application from your phone. Avoid unknown APK files. Keep Android phone up to date and use Google Play Protect. To use the Google Play Protect, you need to enable this. Open your phone settings, go to security and privacy, go to app security, and tap on Google Play Protect. Just need to scan one time. After scanning, it will show you all harmful app available in your phone, and after showing, you need to select it and uninstall it from your phone. That's it. Now your Android phone is much safer and more private. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more smart tech guides. See you in the next one.